I'm revealing exactly how I use AI tools to grow my YouTube subscribers fast. Now, before you think AI, that's too complicated. Trust me, it's easier than you imagine. These are same things I used to grow my channel when no one was watching, when I was barely getting like subscribers. Okay, stay with me because by the end of this video, you have a step-by-step system you can literally copy today and start getting subscribers fast using AI. So let's jump right in. The thing is, when I started my YouTube channel, I was posting videos like crazy. I even did a 30 days YouTube challenge, editing for hours, creating thumbnails, writing description, and still my subscriber count was barely moving. So I realized something. Okay, the thing is, YouTube is smart. You have to be smart there before you can do YouTube, but AI is smarter. Okay, once I learned how to use AI to plan, create, and optimize my content, everything changed. My watch time went up, my CTR shoot through the roof, and new subscribers started coming in on a daily. Okay, so here is how I did it. So I'm going to be explaining 5 steps on how I was able to hit my first 1000 subscribers, and up till today I keep growing. I keep getting subscribers on a daily basis. So the step number 1 is that I use AI for video ideas. Okay, so here is how I do it. The first thing I do is that I use AI for researching viral video ideas. Okay, I go to ChatGPT and I ask, give me 10 trending YouTube videos ideas in my niche that people are searching for this week. Okay, within seconds I get full list of fresh high demand topics. Okay, then I cross check them with tools like Google Trends and YouTube search suggestions to make sure people are actually looking for those topics in that particular week. Okay, this actually saves me hours and guarantees me I'm not just creating random videos, I'm creating what people are already looking for. So when the video comes live, I get viewers to watch that video. Okay, the step number 2 is I use AI for creating magnetic titles and hooks. Okay, you know that this one is actually very important. After picking my topics, what I use AI for again is this time is to write a clickable, curiosity-driven title. So here is my prompt. I'm going to paste it one corner of the screen right now. It says, I use this prompt, write 5 viral YouTube titles for a video about. I insert the topic, then I'll say make them short, emotional, and click worthy. Okay, and within few seconds AI will spit out like gems. Like, it will give you clickable titles and for you to use for your video. Then what, after doing that, after the AI has given me the title, I will not just copy and paste, then I will tweak them to match my own voice. Okay, so remember, your titles and your hooks are what stop people from scrolling, because when they see a catchy title, without them no one will click. That's just the, and no matter how good your video is, if they have not clicked, that means they have not watched the video entirely. So this is step number 2. Let's head over to step 3. Went out, so guys, the power went out, so I have to use my ring light to continue the video. So the step number 3, the number 3 thing I use AI for is for script writing. Okay, here is where things get really powerful, because instead of staring at a blank page, I use AI to generate my entire script outline from intro to CTA. Okay, so here is one of the prompts I use. I will just type in my search for on ChatGPT, like, write a 5-minute YouTube video script about. Then I insert the topic and I can describe how it should sound. Like, it should be storytelling with example and with a strong call to action. So AI gives me a complete flow. and I just add my personal experience, real life results, and a personality or my personality to it. So this way every videos feel original, but I never waste time wondering what to say next, because AI does that for me. Okay, it's simple having your own personal scriptwriter working for you 24/7. Isn't that amazing? So step number 4 is what I use AI to do is for thumbnails. Okay, now here's a secret that most YouTubers overlook: AI generated thumbnails. So I use tools like Canva Magic Studio, Gemini, and Midjourney to design bold professional thumbnails that looks like they were made by a graphic designer. Okay, so then I run through them through AI thumbnail testers like Tumblr and HotSuite AI Analyzer. Okay, this helps to predict which version of the thumbnail will have more clicks, and the result it gives is more impressions, a higher click-through rate, and faster subscribers growth. Okay, this is actually very helpful. So the number 5 thing, which is actually step number 5, like what I use AI for, is for optimization and posting. Yes, this one is actually the number 5. I use AI to optimize my YouTube videos, like for SEO. For example, ChatGPT or VidIQ AI description writes my descriptions with powerful keywords and hashtags. Then I ask AI to generate 3 to 5 SEO tags based on trending search terms. Remember that, based on trending search terms. This helps YouTube understand exactly what my videos is about, so it shows it to the right audience, and which they will eventually subscribe to your channels and are likely to continue watching your videos anytime that you drop a new upload. So if you want to take it even further, you can use AI to repurpose your videos into shorts or Instagram reels or blog posts. Okay, just with a snap of a finger. So now you know how I use AI to get subscribers fast on YouTube. If this video helped you, do me a quick favor: hit that like button, subscribe, and comment AI growth. If you want me to drop a full tutorial showing you my exact workflow, remember, you don't need to be an expert to grow on this platform. You just need the right tools, and the right mindset is actually going to help you not to give up despite the low views, the low subscribers, knowing that your growth will definitely come. So I'm the creative Susan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.